Hey, this is Alex with KC Turbos, and of course Matt with Blessed Performance. What do we have here?
We have our quad electric fan kit right here. It's absolutely amazing, and we're ready to release it. It works phenomenal. You've got a year of testing driving with this thing, towing heavy. So I wanted to give the customer something that you hook a power ground, plug it into your OEM harness.
I take my old stuff out, put this one in, done. Do you need a different alternator? That was my biggest fear when I heard you're gonna come over. Do I need a different alternator?
We recommend that with us without this, you know what I mean? But I made sure that Clayton, because he's been our primary tester of this, that he ran his 135 amp alternator for the entire time. Obviously when the fans are on, it'll drop to about 13.2 volts. Fans are off, it's coming about 13.8 like it's supposed to.
Yeah.
Fans are gonna pull some power, it just is what it is. It works with OEM tuning, but your tuner can dial it in to come on a little bit earlier. You don't have to change anything. You can drop this into a stock truck and run it. You know, talk about CFM rating and no electric fan kit's gonna keep up. Well, okay, so number one, that's not true because flex lines keep up when you're not towing, they're fine. 30,000 is not what this truck is rated to tow. Well, are there people that are gonna do that? 100%. Is this designed to do that? No. We tested this with 18,000 pounds behind the 350 dually, 18,000 pounds behind it at 100 degrees, anywhere from 3,000 to 12,000 elevation, and I'm not even joking, okay? And anywhere from 30 miles an hour to 100 miles an hour.
We gonna skip to the install now?
6.0 did 6.0 things today.
We found out that the AC compressor is completely locked up and the truck would not start. So after taking the belt off, truck starts again. That's why we have a new belt here, of course, too. And now we're looking at a new AC system. But first of all, let's get the electric fans installed. Since I have some health issues right now, I'm not allowed to lift anything over 10 pounds. I'm gonna pass my work off to our handsome Cameron over here. I appreciate you.
I appreciate it. That was loose. We're just gonna lay this up over here out of the way, so it's just not, but this is gonna be
Not
in the
too
way,
much
guaranteed.
You know, his head gaskets are only a little blown.
All right,
So,
now
what's
we need to
next?
drain. We need to drain the
Gotta
radiator.
drain the big guy. All right.
Next is the other.
Take off those stupid
Yep.
things.
We got one more here. And in my haste and my rush of leaving the shop, I didn't grab the new hardware that we're sending with. The old will work just fine. Now we're just gonna pop this bad boy out.
Oh, well, totaled that one. Sorry, Alex.
There you go.
Oh, look at that. What a professional. Forget what
I
Ford
just got
says.
one
You
little
don't-
crack in there. That's it. One little crack. It's still good. It's
I
still
didn't
good.
see it. I mean, come on. It's fine.
Which,
Or I got a flathead and pop those little tabs off you.
welcome.
Hey, I broke it. Arizona plastic.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get roasted for breaking all this stuff.
Beautiful thing is we're not gonna be putting it back on, so
Perfect. I'll just take that one.
there we go. Okay, spinner free now.
Hey, that was easy.
Yep, there it goes. It's coming off.
There you go. Just had to hold the bell.
I don't know if it'll come out of there now, but it's at least out of the way to where you don't have to fight it. Nope.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll manhandle it. Yeah, that's fine, dude. It wasn't even hard.
A little overkill there, I would say.
That fan shot's going nowhere.
You know, Tony, in all my years of working on these, I've never used that fan clutch tool. From here, gentlemen,
Uh-huh.
from here, it's pretty straightforward. Slide in, bolt up,
Uh-huh.
power ground, plug.
God, it could not get any easy. Thank you.
As simple as it gets from here.
What you could almost say a drop in.
Well, yes.
Unless you
The hardest part is the removal, okay? Like, I
Yeah,
can't
that's true.
fix Ford mistakes. There we go. Sometimes with these 6.0s, you kind of got to crawl underneath and guide the OEM fan shroud. Kind of the same thing here. Not gonna lie to you, sometimes you just gotta crawl underneath and
All right. Now I need to go up or down.
hold it right there
Got it?
and come on down. There we go. Let me see it is tight with your transmission cooler lines, okay? Okay, now go ahead and slide her down just a little bit.
Yeah, massage it out of the way, that's all.
There we go.
Yes.
We are lined up perfectly down here. We made it pretty snug. Not gonna lie to nobody, okay?
That's a damn good fitting product, Matt. I gotta give you some credit, dude.
From there,
It's as easy as
it's as easy as this.
bolter down.
Yep. And like we tried to leave some adjustment in these things because we know that there's OEM radiators, there's aftermarket radiators,
everything.
and 16 different versions of that.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
What's up, Alex? It's going pretty good, buddy. This thing is
quick.
surprisingly easy to install.
That was really quick.
The hardest part is removing, as Matt said, Ford's mistakes.
Literally Ford's mistakes. And now,
Plug
like
it
I
in.
told you, some guys are going to want to go like this
Oh yeah, behind the
behind
elbow.
the elbow. But then if you're going to do that, you'll want to zip tie it like right here. You know what I mean? Because your belt goes right down here. So you want to watch out for the belt. Some guys are going to come in front of that and just zip tie it to the fuel line right there. Or if you don't have the fuel line, what you'll want to do, basically the only goal here is just we gave you enough slack to be creative with where you want to put this.
Yeah.
But then once you're done, zip tie it a few places just to hold it. That's all.
Yeah.
And then from there, you can take and run this over there or over here.
Which
Either
do you
one?
prefer? Do you care? Because I know this side is like, you know, primary, runs the glove plugs. It doesn't matter.
Doesn't really matter because we did this out this side this time.
Yeah.
Then, or because of the way that we're doing this out of this side of the box, probably go to this side.
just go
We
outside.
did put it when we did our testing. Obviously that side gets the first charge.
Right.
You see what I'm saying? But in our testing, we put it on this side on purpose
Okay.
to put more load
yeah.
on it to keep it to make
Give
sure
it
that
the
the
worst
alternator was going to
chance.
keep
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
And then from here, you're going to hook up power and ground, and I mean that is it.
That's it. It's done.
It's done. Put your coolant back in.
I can do that. It's crazy.
Dude, I don't even know why you called me and you could have done that.
Well, I'm not
Well, you're not allowed to lean over.
I mean, you
but-
didn't even have to lift. You could have stood there and then, like turned like 3 wrenches.
Yeah, that was
crazy.
super easy.
Are you
And
excited?
how easy it is
excited.
to put your new belts on and change your compressor.
Look at how
It's gonna be
easy that
way
is.
easier.
My biggest problem is now, God, I need a gold front cover.
Oh Lord. Well, that was easy.
From here, I mean, like you,
just button it back
if you had the regular hose here, you wouldn't have had to drain any of this.
Yeah.
Technically, it does go by. It's just tight.
Yeah.
Just so everybody knows.
There you clearly got it.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
If you are really struggling, just drain half a gallon out and then take the hose off real quick.
Right.
You know, like that's the honest truth. Otherwise, there's not. And from there, put your coolant back in, plug this stuff in, hook up some power and ground, and you're done.
All right. Well, sweet. There you have it, folks. If you guys want to check this out, the all new super, I might just say the word, it's badass. I
appreciate
dude,
it.
honestly.
I'm excited.
It's incredible. These fans are amazing with the controller. Check it out now. Check it out on Bus Performance. Check it out on KC Turbos. Stay tuned. Maybe we'll do some torture testing. See if we can't boil it up for
I'm
you.
excited to find out.
All right. Well,
Clayton beat the shit out of it.
thanks again, brother. Thanks for the help. Thanks for getting your hands dirty with us. And we'll see you guys next time.